guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again. So, just when you thought I'm no longer gonna do Kiwi, guess what? I'm doing a Kiwi lane kit today. So, let's get going and open. This is the January kit. Let's get playing with it and see what's our January kit. Ta-da! Guys, capture life. Oh my gosh, I think I'm loving this. I love I love Kiwi Lane products. You know, they've been really doing well with their kits. And here's a sample of a kit. This is the monthly Kiwi Lane Kit Club. And there's a lot of stuff in here. It is a subscription. It's for $25, which is actually a very good deal considering what you get in this kit. So let me go ahead and show you the templates because, oh my goodness, look at how big this template is. This is the a la carte portrait. How cool is that? And then we have this templates. There's two other templates in here. And let me see which ones there are. One looks like a camera. And yes, it is. It's an a la carte camera. And the other one is a snapshot a la carte. Okay, so let me go through the papers and show you what the papers look like. So the first paper is full of cameras. Look at how cute it is, guys. And then this is the back. I'm going to go through this fast. So now onto the cards. Are you a camera? Because every time I look at you, I smile. That's too cute. Every picture tells a story. I'm gonna go through this real quick.
I know where to use this.
Okay guys, I will come back for a layout. I may even have a picture with this. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So let me play with the templates and work on hopefully be able to pull this through. Anyway, so I'm actually using all Sunnybrook Lane borders here. I have Sunnybrook Lane 1A, Sunnybrook Lane 2A, Sunnybrook Lane 2B, and Sunnybrook Lane 3A. So this is how I envision this layout. Sunnybrook 3A goes down here. The 2A goes down here. And this is only a one-pager, guys. So and then the 2B goes up here, and the 1A goes up here. Then we're going to take our a la carte snapshot, and I'm going to skew it this way. I'm going to take a 6 by 4. This is a 4.5 by 6.5, but let's pretend this is a 4 by 6 photo down there. I'm going to put the camera, I'm going to scoot this up, but I'm going to put the camera right there in the middle, and we can do some journaling down here. And the title will be right there, and you'll see because I'm going to use the selfie paper to be our border and title at the same time. Let's get going, guys. We're going to trace, cut, and ink our elements. So here's my camera, and the template for the camera actually has a hole in it. So I'm assuming this is about an inch hole, but I don't have an inch punch right now, so I'm going to use an 1.25 punch right here, and I'm going to try and get into, I'm trying to do is get into this cheese, smile cheese, but I don't think I can get that. The closest I can get probably is right here. So what I'm going to do, because it's going to take, I'm going to do some finagling here because it's not going to reach. So I'm going to take about a 1/4 inch off of this for now and see if we can get that say cheese or smile say cheese. Well, I have to go, let's take this down a little lower so the punch will fit. And there you go. That's perfect, and that's exactly where I want it. Smile say cheese, and we'll put that right there. And then we'll define this by inking later. You can also cut this straight line with your trimmer. I'm going to use my trimmer to cut out the square inside. So my trimmer has a wire that's in the middle. That's easy for me to do. Otherwise, you guys can just go ahead and poke a hole in the middle, straight up X, and then straight down. Same thing on 4 sides, and then it'll be easier for you to cut straight. But since I have this feature on my trimmer, I will use this feature to cut the square that's inside. So basically, I'm just lining the wire with the line that I traced earlier. And if you're like me and you didn't cut it through that way, all you have to do at this point is just get your scissors and just cut. And then we're going to work on cutting the straight line, and then from this paper, and then we will cut the shape. It's time to ink. We're done tracing, we're done cutting, and we're done inking. So now we're going to put our layout together. So I'm going to start with the bottom layers first. We're going to put these two together before I tack them down onto the actual layout. We're going to put our camera together now. And then we are going to take my selfie. I am in this picture. I am getting ready for my date with my husband. We were celebrating here our 25th anniversary, and we went to London and France. And I am getting ready here to go to have dinner at Eiffel Tower. So I'm kind of very excited here because Eiffel Tower is one of my bucket lists. What I'm going to do first is, so I won't mess this up, is get the picture centered in this snapshot template and then cut the picture, because I want to make sure that the picture is actually centered. So there you go. And of course, it doesn't come from the top because of the way the picture was taken. So now I can cut the picture. And that's my little trick on how to do this. Sometimes you just have to finagle the way you do your layouts. It's as straight as it can be right now. So that will go there. And here's another selfie shot. And then the camera will go right there. And then my journaling can go here. You know what? Let me move the camera down here. Yeah, I think I like that. Put adhesive. And this one I think can go. And then this one can go here. Guys, this is very rare that I actually have pictures for my layouts. So I hope you're enjoying it. So I'm actually finishing a layout here myself. So one less, one down. I have a whole album for our Paris trip. And a lot of them are my selfie because my husband goes one way and I'm still sitting and reading what's going on, or trying to see, look around what's going on. And he's already run the other way. I'm like, ugh. Traveling with this man, I swear, it's like a little kid. Anyway, there you guys go. And I'll put my journaling down here. And you know what? Let me see if I can have some, let me see if there are cards here that I can add on. Guys, I think I'm going to add this, be happy, and I'll put the Hallmark a la carte here. See, just when you think a layout is done, it actually isn't. There you guys go. Journaling can go down here. And there's my layout. I hope you enjoyed watching me play with this layout. The link to order all Kiwi Lane supplies is down in the description below. I have also started doing chalk couture. So I'm a chalk couture designer too, guys. So the link for my chalk couture website is also down below. The link for a playlist for all my Kiwi Lane projects are also in the description below, just as well as my chalk couture videos playlist is also down in the description below. It's a lot of links now, huh? Also, guys, I have started a VIP group for chalk couture. It is called VIP Chalk Couture with Scrapbooks Hawaii. The link is also down in the description below. In that group, I give out discounts to kits and other items, chalk coutures. Check it out, guys. I'd really appreciate it if you will join the group. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.